Now students, next chapter is 17, comic character. You know comic characters like Mowgli, Batman, Winnie the Pooh, Mowgli, Spider-Man, Tom and Jerry, all. Okay, so write the names of the creators of following characters with the help of clues given below. Here clues are given and here राइट द नेम्स ऑफ द क्रिएटर. आपको उनके क्रिएटर्स के नेम मेंशन करने हैं. सपोज फर्स्ट इज पेंटॉम. पेंटॉम हु क्रिएटेड दिस? ली फॉक्स. सो यू विल राइट इन फर्स्ट कॉलम बी. सेकेंड इज मिक्की, प्लूटो एंड डोनाल्ड. डोनाल्ड डक. सो यू विल राइट हु क्रिएटेड दिस? वॉल्ट डिज्नी. सो यू विल राइट हियर सी. Third is, you all know, yes, Superman. Who created this? I. Joe Shuster and Jerry Siegel. Right here, I. And which cartoon it is? Batman. And who created this? Bob Kane and Bill Finger. Right here E. Next is Popeye. Okay, which character it is? Popeye. And creator is Algie Chrysler Seeger. So you will write here G. And sixth one is Winnie the Pooh. And who created this? A. Mel. Right here you will write here A. And seventh one is Tintin and Snowy. And who created this? Hurge. Right here D. And next is Tarzan. Which character it is? Tarzan. And who created this? Edgar Rice Burroughs. Right here H. And which character it is? Your favorite character? Yes. Which character it is? Mowgli. So you will write who created this? Rudyard Kipling. Right here F. Which character it is? Spider-Man. And who created this? Stanley Steve Ditko. Right here K. And last one is Tom and Jerry. All like this? Yes. And who created this? J. William Hanna and Joseph Barbera. Okay, all are comic character. Enjoyed the chapter. Thank you. Hello students, next chapter is chapter number 18, jumbled proverbs. Okay, आपको यहाँ पे अनस्क्रैम्बल वर्ड्स दिए हुए हैं, पूरा सेंटेंस है, इसको आपको जम्बल सेंटेंस करके पूरा सेंटेंस को कंप्लीट करना है. ओके, द वर्ड्स इन द फॉलोइंग प्रोवर्ब्स हैव बीन जम्बल्ड, रीराइट देम करेक्टली. फर्स्ट वन इज लाइट मेक मैनी हैंड्स वर्क. सो करेक्ट सेंटेंस इज मैनी हैंड्स make light work. Okay, seldom dogs bite barking. Right here barking dogs seldom bite. Okay, next is play no jack and work all a boy dull makes. Correct sentence is all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. Next sentence is trees money doesn't on grow. Correct sentence is money doesn't grow on trees. Fifth one is ears have walls. Correct sentence is walls have ears, not ears have walls. Sixth one is will way there where there's a theirs. Correct sentence is where there's a will there's a way. And next is steady a race wins and slow. Correct sentence is slow and steady wins the race. Next one is home like no place theirs. Correct sentence is there's no place like home. And last one is comes tomorrow never. Correct sentence is tomorrow never comes. Okay children, so read the sentence correctly and write sentence correctly according to my video. Okay, thank you. Hello students, today we will continue GK chapter 19, book stall. Okay, given below is the list of some famous books by Indian authors. Okay, all are books and all are authors, and here author name. Okay, by photos by authors and the language, and this is the language: Assamese, Bengali, English, Gujarati, Hindi, Malayalam, Marathi, Odia, Tamil, Telugu, all are languages. Okay, so we will write book name and author name. Okay children, so first one is Nirmala. Okay, this book is Nirmala and his author name is second E. Book is Buri Ayyar Sadhu and his name is E. Lakshminath Besbarwa. Okay, so you will write here second E. Now language is Bengali and book name is 3. Ananda Math and his name is Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Okay, so now next one is English. Language is English and book name is The Guide. Book name is The Guide and his name is his name is R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan. So you will write here fifth I. And language is Gujarati. Book name is 4, Tanka. Okay, book name is Tanka and his name is Gauri Shankar Govardhan Joshi. Gauri Shankar Govardhan Joshi. So you will write here 4C. Okay, all are languages and here books are mentioned and here author's name are mentioned. Okay, now language is Hindi. Okay, he is a Hindi author. Book name is Nirmala. Book name is Nirmala. So you will write here 1 and H and his name is Premchandra. He was very famous author. Okay. Now next is Malayalam. Okay, and his book name is Rana the Mozam. Okay, and his name is M.T. Vasudevan Nair. Okay, now Marathi and book name is Vishakha. So you will write here 9 and his name is Vishnu Vaman Shrivadkar. Okay, now language is Odia. Book name is Cha Mana Atha Gunta. 8th one. Okay, Cha Mana Atha Gunta and his name is Fakir Mohan Senapati. Okay children, so you will write here 8th B. His language is Tamil. Book name is Parthiban Kanavu and his name is Kalki Kishan Murthy. Okay, Kalki Kishan Murthy D. So you will write here 6D. Now Telugu. Language is Telugu. Language and book is Rajasekhara Charitramu. Okay, and his name is G. Kandukui Viraslingam Pantulu. Okay, Kandukuri Viraslingam Pantulu. So you will write here 10G. Okay, this is the exercise of chapter number 19, book stall. Okay children. Now students, we will continue chapter number 20, Kalidas. You know who was Kalidas? Kalidas was a master poet and dramatist from Indian ancient past. And we know very little about the life of Kalidas. Yes, details like when or where he lived. He lived in the 4th or 5th century during the time of Chandragupta or Vikramaditya. Okay, the Gupta's kings at that time was capital of Gupta's king at that time was Ujjain, and Ujjain is located in Madhya Pradesh, MP. Okay, so Kalidas probably lived there too. Now the major works of Kalidas include 3 plays, 2 epic poems and 2 lyric poems. However, we are not certain in what order these works were written. Kalidas is today remembered as the great genius of ancient India. Okay, Kalidas is today remembered as great and genius or ancient India. Okay children, now answer the following questions about Kalidas writing with the help of the clues. Clues of given below. All are clues. Okay. So first one is a play featuring the historical character Agnimitra. A play featuring the historical character Agnimitra. Answer is D. Malvikagnimithram. Okay, so you will write here D. Second one is a play based on the old legend that tells about Purva and his love for the heavenly beauty Urvashi. Answer is Vikramovarshyam. So you will write here B. Okay. Now a play portraying the character of Shakuntala, the foster child of sage Kanva. Answer is Abhigyan Shakuntalam. So you will write here C. A poem that talks about Kumara, the god of war and the son of Shiva and Parvati. Answer is E. Kumara Sambhav. Kumar Sambhav. So you will write here E. Okay. A poem based on the dynasty or to which Ram from the epic the Ramayana belong. Answer is Raghuvansh. So you will write here E. Okay children, this is the exercise of chapter number 20, Kalidas. Thank you. Students, now chapter number is 21. Guess these words. This chapter is very interesting chapter. Read the clues and write the words beginning with the letter CA. Okay, in the puzzle box. First one is a large edible flower. Answer is CA. Cauliflower. So you will write here cauliflower. CAULIFLOWER. Okay children. Now second is an orange colored root vegetable, carrot. Okay, so you will write here carrot. The ship of the desert. Who is the ship of the desert? Camel. So you will write here camel. You use it for sending greetings or an invitation. Guess? Card. So you will write here card. The leader of a team. Captain. Okay, so you will write here captain. A table showing days, weeks and months. What is the word? Calendar. So you will write here calendar. A humorous drawing. A humorous drawing is cartoon. A humorous drawing. Humorous drawing is cartoon. So you will write here cartoon. Okay. Now next is you take photographs with it. We can take photographs with the help of camera. So you will write here camera. The young one of cow. Young one of cow is calf. So you will write here calf. Farm animals kept for their milk or meat. Farm animals kept for their milk or meat. Cattle. So you will write here cattle. Okay. Now next one is the art of beautiful handwriting. Answer is calligraphy. Okay. A prickly plant that grows in deserts. Answer is cactus. Okay. A prickly plant that grows in deserts. Cactus. Okay children. This is the chapter number 21.